currently here at the showroom, but beyond the work, I value growth, quiet moments of studying, and learning languages like Japanese and Spanish. Recently, I've been appreciating life here in McLeod, and honestly, it's the kind of lifestyle you don't have to rush. Simple days feel a little more special, sharing meals with my sisters, morning walks, light workouts, and just enjoying the spaces around. There's something about passing by Venice Grand Canal Mall or seeing places like Chinese International School Manila nearby. Everything feels thoughtfully placed. And at the end of the day, coming home to a space that feels calm, secure, and truly your own. It's a different kind of comfort. I've come to realize it's not just about owning a property. It's about choosing a lifestyle you deserve. If someday you see yourself living like this, I'd be more than happy to guide you. Just message me anytime.
Nasa kanan ninyo, ano yan? Cemetery yan.
Say hi to my vlog!